Mga ka-RSP, ngayong taon po ay isa na namang event ang inorganisa ng Department of Trade and Industry upang makatulong sa mga micro, small, and medium enterprises o MSMEs na explore ang global market. Ito yung Financial Fitness Fair 2023.
At para naman bigyan tayo ng mahalagang impormasyon at detalye patungkol sa fair na ito, ay makakasama po natin ngayong umaga ang Executive Director ng PTTC GMEA o Philippine Trade Training Center Global MSME Academy na si Ms. Nelly Nita Deliera at ang Director of Partnership ng Proxtera na si Ms. Aparna Jajaria. Good morning and welcome po sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas!
Good morning! Good morning everyone!
Okay, ma'am, para po sa kaalaman ng ating mga ka-RSP, no, ano po ba yung layunin nitong Financial Fitness Fair 2023 at ano po yung mga pangunahing programa na inihanda nyo para dito?
Okay, basically, kasi pag sinabi nating finance, it's actually the backbone of any business. Pero yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, so backbone siya, unang-una dito titingnan natin yung bang kinikita natin, di ba? Yung kinikita natin sa serbisyo o sa produktong binibenta natin, na ma-manage ba natin siya ng mabuti, may kinikita ba tayo, pumupunta ba siya sa tapat puntahan. So yun, basically yun, what we earn, we're also able to monitor. And pangalawa, kasi backbone nga yung finance, ang pangalawa naman dito, yung spending natin. Para may pambayad tayo sa mga resources, sa mga tao, sa raw materials, okay? And of course, pag may balak tayong mag-expand ng ating mga negosyo in the future, ito rin yung titingnan natin. So, that's actually the very reason why we are putting up this particular event, kasi nga ang finance, yung financial services, yung financial aspect ng isang negosyo is a very important element of any business. So, putting together po, meron tayong mga talks dito, may mga plenary discussions. Meron rin po tayong gagawing business clinic, pati na rin po yung business consultation. So all in one po, may talk and at the same time, yung ating mga enterprises na hindi sigurado doon sa kanilang financial fitness, pwede po silang mag-consult doon sa ating mga experts.
Well, malaking support po yan para sa mga entrepreneurs, no? Lalo na yung Audrey, yung mga gusto lang mag-business pero hindi naman masyado naiintindihan kung paano to gawin. Pero ma'am, ano po ba ang mga aspeto ng SME Financial Empowerment o SFE program po at paano po makikinabang ang mga kalahok dito?
Okay, ang ikinaganda nito kasi end-to-end yung gagawin natin. From training, yung training natin napapaloob doon sa SME-FE na i-discuss rin later ni Aparna. Pero ang gusto ko lang dito emphasize, may training na ibibigay from foundational financial literacy hanggang global, hanggang international. So binibigyan natin yung opportunity yung ating mga enterprises ngayon. Kasi when you talk about business these days, the moment na, di ba, i-expose mo yung produkto mo o services mo sa social network, social platform, parang ganon, automatically cross-border, napopromote mo na rin internationally. But we have to make sure yung ating mga enterprises, mga negosyante, ready. Kasi the moment may nag-order sa inyo from other countries, paano nyo mahahandle yon? So may maraming kailangan na papeles. So dito po, from education, training na ibibigay, gagamitin po ninyong credential, yung pong certification pala, yung certification na makukuha ninyo out of the training, pwede po natin gamitin credential para mag-access tayo ng financial assistance. Parang gano'n, di ba, mga documents, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin para ma-access mo yung online selling platform at ma-access mo rin yung other services like for example yung sa logistics, yung ganon. So it's actually an end-to-end. It's not only talking about financial, pero as much as possible, mabibigyan natin ng assistance yung ating mga enterprises mula sa training hanggang sa access ng financing, access to market, and even logistics.
So yung assistance na to parang natuturuan din yung mga SMME. So importante sa mga gusto palang magnegosyo ng mga ka-RSP po natin, mag-invest ka muna sa kaalaman. Kung ano yung mga tamang proseso, kung ano yung mga dapat gawin para hindi sinasayang yung oras, hindi nasasayang yung mga pondong ginagamit mo sa negosyo mo. Pero ano pa po yung mag-gain ng ating mga MSMEs, maliliit na negosyante dito sa may Financial Fitness Fair 2023?
Maganda yung nabanggit nyo na importante talaga, pinaka-foundation, yung training, kaalaman. Kaya naman siguro lahat tayo nag-aaral, di ba, mula kindergarten hanggang college. So this time around, ang target natin dito, yung may mga negosyo na. So ang kaalaman, paano nilang gamitin ng maayos yung pera, paano nilang iplano para ma-distribute or maggamitin ng maayos yung pera, mag-access ng mga additional capital, but at the same time, paano nila i-manage yung utang nila. So yung mga ganong klase, but at the same time, again, yung mga produkto nila, pwede na rin for market, pwede na rin for logistics assistance.
Okay, Ma'am Nelly, meron po tayong mga katuwang o partners dito, no? Am I correct? Like Proxtera?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Aparna, what is the contribution of Proxtera to this event?
So Proxtera is based out of Singapore. We are a digital infrastructure and tech provider, and we maintain a meta hub.
Oh, I
that
think...
helps.
Mukhang hindi gumagana yung mic. Again, ma'am.
Proxtera is a meta hub as well as a tech platform and digital infrastructure provider out of Singapore. And we help MSMEs in their end-to-end journey from learning to being able to buy and sell globally online, as well as access financing, cross-border payments, and eventually logistics as well. So the journey for us, and that's what we're working here in the Philippines with PTTC, is to help MSMEs on their financial digital literacy. You learn, you gain a digital footprint, and then you use that to access partners in the Proxtera ecosystem. All digitally, you can do it from your smartphone sitting at home.
Wow, that is amazing. Is it already being, well, is it operational already
How
in
long?
Singapore? And how long is it?
It is operational in Singapore, but we're here to help the Philippines MSMEs go cross-border as well. So we are live in the Philippines, and that's what we're hoping the Financial Fitness Fair brings to businesses here.
Amazing. Amazing. It's like making your products accessible to the global market.
Absolutely.
Do you think the Philippines is ready for such?
Oh, it definitely is. 99.5% of all businesses in the Philippines are MSMEs. So if we're looking to lift up the economy, really recover from COVID-19, these are the basic skill sets that they would need to really grow their businesses. And yes, they are ready. I think the sign-ups and the interest on the Financial Fitness Fair is absolute evidence that something like this is much required.
Well, I would think because a lot of Filipinos are actually techie already, so they would know how to do this.
Exactly, and we're helping them leverage a platform that is pre-connected to partners in the Philippines as well, such as Uno Digital Bank or Burkit, which is a B2B e-commerce marketplace. They can digitally apply for bank accounts, apply for credit, and even have their products listed and globally discoverable through our ecosystem.
Okay.
Yes. Is there going to be a class before they, well, will you teach them like how to do it step by step, just so that
Absolutely.
it's easy for Filipinos to understand?
Yes, with the help of our partners at DTI with Ms. Nelly, as well as our ecosystem partners here, the sessions will physically take them through the steps. Although the solutions are designed to be very simple to use, we are there to support them every step of the journey. Our partners will be there as well for immediate sign-ups as soon as they're done learning.
Wow.
Okay. So, Madam Nelly, other than Singapore, may iba pa mga bansa na kagaya ng company from Singapore na magtuturo rin o mag-guide din sa mga MSMEs natin?
Oo, sa ibang bansa naman ang kapartner natin, other than Singapore, yung ITC, International Trade Center. Ito naman sa export. May ilo-launch rin kami ngayong December din, ano. Pang-export naman siya, VLS naman, Virtual Learning System, para kahit wala yung mga resource persons natin, kasi Pilipinas, archipelago, ano, mahirap puntahan yung mga areas. Online, makukuha na nila yung learning. Ang gusto ko lang siguro emphasize dito, bakit may mga partnership tayo, no, internationally, kasi we don't have to reinvent the wheel.
Correct.
'Di ba? Parang ganoon. Kung meron tayong mga partners na similar naman yung mga programs nila sa mga enterprises, mag-partner na tayo sa kanila. Ang maganda dito, yung sa Proxtera sa Singapore, meron siyang Tagalog version.
Oh.
May mga ganoon. So, talagang very, very useful and very local.
But did I get it right po? Like for Proxtera, it's retail, am I correct? Or it's just, you could also buy wholesale, just like maybe Amazon or Alibaba, something like that?
So the platform is meant for B2B businesses, so not retail to start with. But it is also the first step into going into cross-border trade. And that's how the entire journey has been designed.
Amazing.
Okay, Ma'am Nelly, para po sa kalaman ng ating mga ka-RSP, saan po magaganap ito at maaari nyo ba silang imbitahan?
Yeah, mamaya na po. Magsisimula po yung ating program at 9 o'clock. Okay? October 24 to 25. Hanggang bukas po yun. Bisitahin po ninyo kami kami sa Philippine Trade Training Center. Katabi lang po kami ng World Trade Center. So lahat po ng mga binanggit po namin kanina matututunan ninyo. At mayroon din po tayong business clinic. Pwede po ninyo makausap yung mga expert po natin para bigyan pa kayo ng information or assistance kung paano po natin palaguhin at ayusin po yung ating financial aspect ng ating negosyo. Thank you po.
Grabe, Audrey.
Good
Amazing
luck,
amazing tong effort ng DTI na ito dahil talagang maraming mga business people, lalo yung mga entrepreneurs na nag-uumpisa pa lang, no? Lalaki sila through this. Ang galing.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng impormasyon sa amin patungkol po dito sa kaabang-abang na Financial Fitness Fair 2023. Nakapanayan po natin si Ma'am Nelly at Ma'am Aparna. Muli, nakasama po natin ang director ng PTTC GIMEA o Philippine Trade Training Center Global MSME Academy na si Ma'am Nelly Nita Dillera at ang Director of Partnership ng Proxtera na si Miss Aparna Jajaria. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.